Sometimes on X or Twitter, you might get email notifications about news about X on partner products and other third-party services. If you don't want these kinds of notifications, you can disable them. In this video, we'll show you how to disable these notifications. For this, open the X app. After opening the X app, tap your profile photo at the top. When you tap that, you'll see Settings and Support. Tap Settings and Support, and then you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy. When you tap that, you'll see Notifications. Tap Notifications. When you tap that, you'll see Preferences. Tap Preferences. Then you'll see Email Notifications. Tap that. When you tap it, you'll see the email notification settings. If you don't want any notifications, you can disable this. But if you want email notifications and you want to block specific ones, what you need to do is enable this. After that, you'll see From X, and under that, News about X on partner products and other third-party services. If you don't want notifications about this, just disable it. After that, you won't get these kinds of notifications. So this way you can easily disable these notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.